Well, good morning. I'm standing here watching a chicken coop. The chickens are looking at me like I'm crazy, but this is the first day with the run chicken door. It's going to open automatically. When I open that door in the mornings, I usually come out of there like John Wayne coming into a saloon. Well, here in a minute, that door opens, so I'm going to see which one busts her tail first coming out of there, trying to get to the critters that they're going to go eat today. So, stand by. Yeah, it doesn't look like they figured it out yet. Come on, girls. They don't realize that the portal to freedom has opened. Yeah, we got one that's curious. Come on. It's a hole. You went in it last night. Let's see if you can come out this morning. Can you do it? Maybe? What is this weirdness? Come on, Henny Penny. You got this. All right. Looks like it's going to work well. At least for one of them. The other two are still confused. All it took was Henny Penny showing the way. Yep, they're going to be fine. Run chicken door for the win. Y'all take care.